sweet to savory, there are so many dishes you can make with lemons. And here to help us get fit in February with nutritious meals the whole family will love is lifestyle expert Maggie Jackson. Welcome.
Hi, thank you. I'm delighted to be here.
Maggie, you've teamed up with Wonderful to share delicious and vibrant recipes using Wonderful seedless lemons. Now, to be clear, these are the same lemons we know and love, minus the seeds. That's a game changer.
That's right. Wonderful seedless lemons makes cooking so easy. Whether you are juicing, slicing, baking, you can trust that there will be no pesky seeds in Wonderful seedless lemons. They are also grown in California and they are available in your grocer for a limited time through May. So make sure you get your hands on these now.
Now let's talk starting the day off right. Tell us about your go-to wellness shot in the morning.
Wonderful seedless lemons has a turmeric wellness shot that has all the healing benefits of turmeric and lemons all into one drink. You can make a big batch of this and store it in your fridge all week long. And it is the wonderful way to kickstart your morning with your entire family for healing benefits all winter long.
Now, part of Fit in February involves clean eating, and you've created a light Mediterranean-inspired meal using Wonderful seedless lemons that looks delicious.
Yes, here we have white fish poached in olive oil with lemons and olives. You can use any white fish that you would like, but I use Chilean sea bass. And we've put it the wonderful seedless lemons, some olives, some herbs. It is so fragrant, so flaky, succulent, delicious. Your entire family will love this dish if you're looking to eat a little bit lighter this winter.
That sea bass has my mouth watering. What about something a little heartier that the family will love?
For a dish that is a little heartier and one that your children will love, we have lemon and pink peppercorn pasta with herb chicken. You marinate the chicken in wonderful seedless lemons with some fragrant herbs. It smells so good. This is one of my children's favorite dishes because who doesn't love pasta night? You marinate the chicken in some lemon, some herbs. It is a beautiful dish sprinkled with pink peppercorns to add some color. The entire family will love this hearty chicken and pasta dish for dinner.
And you've got all the bases covered. Tell us about the vegetarian option you've created for Meatless Mondays.
I know a lot of people are eating cleaner in the winter. They're looking to eat more plants, more plant-based. That is why we have these roasted sweet potatoes with charred leeks, charred lemons, and lemony tahini. It is a beautiful dish that is delicious to eat, and it is so hearty. So if you think you're going lighter, you won't be full eating a vegetarian meal, this one will fill you up.
And the meal wouldn't be complete without a zesty sweet treat. What do you have for us for dessert?
We have lemon thumbprint cookies with marmalade, and it is a lemon marmalade. So it is sweet, it's cooked in maple syrup. Top these cookies with some lemon zest and some flaky sea salt for a gorgeous presentation that is just as delicious to eat. They are crispy, they are sweet. Your entire family will love indulging in these sweet treats after dinner.
For all these recipes and for more information about Wonderful Seedless Lemons, visit wonderfulseedlesslemons.com. Maggie, we thank you so much for sharing these flavorful recipes for Fit in February.
Thank you. And for more recipes, be sure to follow Wonderful Seedless Lemons on Instagram at Wonderful Seedless Lemons. Thanks for having me.
Of course. And we thank you for joining us in San Diego Living. We'll see you next time.